4D Pharma announced that in Part B of its signal-finding study of MRX-0518 in combination with MSD anti-PD-1 therapy, KEYTRUDA, pembrolizumab, has met its primary efficacy endpoint. This is a key step forward for MRX-0518 and the increasing importance of the microbiome in cancer treatment. The primary efficacy endpoint for Part B of the study is more than 3 out of 30 patients per tumor group achieving clinical benefit, defined as complete response, partial response, or stable disease for at least 6 months. This is crucial for the future development of MRX-0518 and next steps in RCC. To date, Part B of the study has enrolled 20 patients with RCC, of which out of the first 16 evaluable patients have achieved clinical benefit, each having achieved at least 6 months of stable disease. To date, Part B of the study has enrolled 47 patients of up to a total of 120 patients with RCC, non-small cell lung cancer, bladder cancer, and head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. MRX-0518 continues to be safe and well tolerated.